project governance. In big organizations, there's a lot of governance in place. You know, we're spending public funds, we're spending taxpayer dollars, and therefore we need probity, we need transparency, we need accountability for the money that we're going to spend. Smaller organizations, smaller enterprises, the 5 to 10 man lawn-mowing business that needs to start incorporating some project management into their organization, they're not going to have any of that, and that's okay. You don't need it. It's not applicable until they get bigger and bigger and bigger. So what you'll sort of see there in this idea of organizational context is, as the organizations get bigger that you work within, so do the complexities that come with project management, so does the rigor around project management that you'll find, so do the processes. There'll be more people involved. It just gets bigger and bigger and bigger, which sounds a little bit scary, but those environments actually get more and more exciting to work in, because you got lots of levers to pull on.